Chimpanzees are much more like humans than we previously thought, says British primatologist Jane Goodall. Goodall asserts that if we taught chimpanzees how to shoot a gun and then gave them one, they would kill other chimpanzees far more indiscriminately than human terrorists. Chimpanzees, she suggests, are like unrestrained humans. Looking at history, no other primate has committed such large-scale massacres of its own kind as humans have. The frequent wars, genocides, and assassination attempts make us question whether humanity, as a collective, can truly control violence. To reduce violence in human society, we must be vigilant against demagoguery, conspiracy theories, and escalating conflicts. Humanity must realize that we share a common destiny and that violence only begets more violence. Can humanity continue to dream of a better future? What do you think?